Hi, my name is Jeff Moore. We're at Cacti and Succulents. It's a little cactus and succulent nursery in Solana Beach, California. And we're going to show you real quickly the do's and don'ts of cactus mix and the proper soil to use when you're planting cactus and succulents. This is a nice looking planter mix. It's nice and rich. It's fine for most things. It's a little too rich for cactus and succulents. What you want is a cactus and succulent mix, which looks superficially similar, but you see there's a little bit of a granular component. It's 50% compost combined with pumice and perlite, a little bit of sand, and then sometimes some sources will give you trace amounts of gypsum and dolomite. So to make your own cactus and succulent soil, you can combine a regular rich houseplant mix on a roughly 50-50 scale with pumice and or perlite. This is perlite right here, a much lighter component that lets the soil breathe a little bit and drain better. And you mix that in together, and you have a lighter mix that will drain better. Your cactus and succulents will enjoy that a lot more.